Okay, cool. First day back at work after surgery, and I'm absolutely exhausted. So we'll see how this goes. Yeah. Okay. Cool. All right. 綾子の隣に女の人が一で座っています。綾子は隣。It's a location word. I'm not sure. Next to Ayako, there is a woman sitting by herself. Hitori. Right. Okay, cool. その女の人は青いドレ No, no, no. What is that? I never read this word correctly. Ooh? It's not ooh. Funbisu. It's dress, and I don't understand how that katakana is dress. O kiteimasu. So the woman over there, kiteimasu. I feel like is wearing a blue dress. Yeah. そして携帯電話で誰かにメッセージを送っています。cell phone どれかに There's something about a message on a cell phone and sending a message to someone. どれからに to someone. Okuteimasu. Okay. 青いfunbisu or the blue dress 着てどこに行きます Where is she going in a blue dress? Ha ha ha, that was perfect. 仕事の面接かな I accidentally saw this one. Does she have an interview? Which makes sense because shigoto no something kana. Is it an interview? Okay, so I think kana is probably like, is it? それともそれとも友達の結婚式かな Is it a friend's It's like, is it a friend's birthday or something? Oh, or is she going to her friend's wedding? Alright. Ayako wa mawari o mimasu. Ayako sees something. The woman is looking, Ayako is looking around. 見たことがある女の人がいます。Something about 見たことがある。I'm not sure. There is someone that she's seen before. 見たことがその女の人はドアの近くに立って本を読んでいます。The woman 近く But the woman near the door, tate, I'm not sure what tate is reading a book. The woman is standing near the door and reading a book. That is 2 paragraphs. That is enough for my sad little brain today that also did a bunch of Japanese homework on my lunch. Very inefficiently. But so it goes. Things are getting done. And we're getting there. Catching up. Okay. Ciao.